Yo, this is a DPS, damage per second, 3D in sight, gaming chair. Got this at Costco. See, this is a black one with the blue stitching. This was the last one. They had a green color one, black and green, and all black. They have a black and red, but that one was not there. But me and my son's favorite color is blue, so looks pretty cool. So turn this around. See, there you have it. Little spec and features, so you can get an idea. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. This chair can support up to 275 pounds. Made in China. Just before I open this thing right here, see. Got the headrest. Got the hardware right there. And the tool. Got the armrest. Another armrest. Got the seat. This is a backrest. Right there. What else we got? Got the bottom base. Got the wheels. And we got the cables right here. So and we got the super dry. Get rid of that. So let's go ahead and put this baby up. Alright, once you open it, here's the tools, like I said. Got the instructions to assemble it. You got the wheels right here. So I don't know what the hell was the other one thing about the wheels. We got this thing right here. I'll show you right now, piece by piece. So let's check it out. Right, first step, you put this star base facing up. What you gotta do is put these here, push them till they lock. Right, we got all of them already. See, that's how it looks. Now gotta flip it, stand it. Now it's this thing right here. See, these came out, so you gotta put them in through the bottom. It's a bigger one, and it gets smaller, skinnier, or whatever you want to call it. This one goes on top. Just place it like that. See how it goes down? But we'll fix it right now. Right, make sure that the front is facing outwards from where you are. And then like this. See, front and front. So let's put the screws in right now. All right, see this. These are the 44 double M, which are the two long ones. Now these go here on the front. Let's see. There's one right there. Another one right there. 244 double lamb, go to the front. Then for the rear, you want these. There's a 25 mm, so 4 of them go right there. Or there's two 25 mm. There's only 2 here, which is 25 mm big screws, 25 mm small screws for the rear ones. I was putting the small ones here, but it has to be the big ones on the outer holes, not the center ones. See, there's the 25 mm big screws go on the outer holes, right? All right, guys, now that I'm ready to do this, these wires, you just put them under here. Make sure the color faces the outside of the seat. So just put it here, slide it up until it locks. Same thing here. Let's see. There it is. Then the next step is a armrest. So you put them right there. Make sure front faces the front. Left. Make sure these buttons are towards the outside of the seat. 25 mm. There are 8 of them. These go on their hand rest right there. 4 right there. 4 right there. Now for this step, you can use something to put underneath, so it could be easier to put these screws in. But me, I'm just lifting it up from one side, putting the screws in with the other hand, and I'm tying them a little bit with my hand. I'll be finish it with that tool right there. So that's one side. Alright guys, before I screwed up the screws very tight, I made sure I pull the armrest towards the outside so I can leave a gap on both sides. Because if you push it more towards the end, towards the inside, I mean, this is gonna be rubbing on the seat. So what I did before I tied them up, pull this right here, and when I was screwing them, I was putting some force towards the outside, making sure this won't slide back in. See how I have a little gap right here? So this won't be too close with this, and it looks very clean from the top when you have it set up. It's the other side. Same thing, see that little gap in between. This step, you do need the box to place this right there. Just need to get this thing closer. Try the edge. You get the idea. Alright, these screws for the backrest are the 32 mm big screws right here. 4 of them. Alright, this is how it should look once you place it down. See, there it is. The final step shows on the bottom, goes towards arrow facing the front. Another way to tell is the 2 stitches go on the front. Flat surface, no stitches in the center, goes to the back. So see, there it is. It has these buttons on the side right here. You press, go down. final look. Now this thing moves too, kind of flex, I guess, on your movement to give you that comfortable support. See how it flexes, it moves. It's a very comfortable chair for a gaming seat. And here, press this button, raise it up, bring it down. This moves too, swivels a bit. So look back of it. This is the bottom. These ain't stickers, these are plastics. Blue plastics right there. There you have it, DPS. 3D in sight. Costco.